Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes NVIDIA control panel not opening on Windows 10, 11. First method is end task NVIDIA process. Second method is change NVIDIA service. Third method is reset and repair NVIDIA control panel app. Fourth method is update NVIDIA display adapter driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.